Grab your hard hats. We're back again with another floor plan walkthrough. This is going to be the Somerset floor plan offered at the Meadows at Wilson Farms by Meritage Homes. I'm Christina Kay, your favorite new construction real estate broker, serving both North and South Carolina, licensed with Johnson Group Partners in South Carolina. On the main floor of the Somerset, you will find a full bathroom as well as a bedroom. Keep in mind, this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath townhome. So we're going to head up to the main level. Here you will find the dining area, the great room, and the kitchen. I do like that when you're in the kitchen, you can see both the great room and the dining room from the left or right of you. On this main level, you will find a powder room, or some may call a half bath. Let's head up to the third level where you'll see the owner's suite and the secondary bedrooms. To your left, you're going to see bedroom number 2. You'll see bedroom number 3. The full bathroom that they share, which has a shower tub combo. To your left, that double doors will be your laundry room. Straight ahead will be your walk-in closet for the owner's or primary suite. And here you will find the bathroom with a dual vanity and a shower. If you're interested in this floor plan or any other floor plan that's offered at the Meadows at Wilson Farms and want to take advantage of my standard representation package, please be sure to click the links in my bio. As always, I want you to enjoy the process of finding or building your dream home. So I'm going to wish you a happy house hunting.